Hi everybody and welcome back to Shenzhen, China. Today is a very unexpected place, but I'm here for the Drone Expo in a few weeks. But today I'm gonna visit one company you may know of, BetaFPV. But before that, we gotta eat. And we have this super nice breakfast. And the best thing, what?
And a lot of other dishes.
Yeah, we are eating a lot, but this stuff is super good. We have baozi and this is xiaolongbao, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry if I'm butchering names, but I'm not good in English. Imagine in Chinese. The rest of the breakfast arrive and it's a lot.
It's a lunch and dinner.
Yeah, also because we are not used to eating salty food, like we mostly eat pastries like these ones. And now we have to go to the BetaFPV factory. And we actually called a cab here, it's called a Didi. It's just like Uber in the rest of the world, but it's incredible how cheap it is because we have to do 20 kilometers and it's just $3. It's crazy. I don't know how they are profitable, but
We appreciate it.
we appreciate it a lot. We are right now at the BetaFPV headquarters and they showed me around many offices, many things I cannot film, but they're showing me some new products coming out and I'm about to fly inside the office with the lead engineer. So it's gonna be super cool. They are showing me the new modules. These are digital capacitive gimbals for a new radio they're making. This is called the P1. You already seen it from the Aquila 20 and now finally it's on a tiny whoop and it's only 17 grams. And also they are making this P1 compatible receiver for all goggles. So you can upgrade your analog goggles to P1 and have HD video inside. I'm about to try the first Air 65 with the P1 link. So this is the digital goggles and I'm about to fly inside the office. Ah, we are going the long way. Okay. Very nice. I wish my recording studio was like this. It looks super nice. To do an interview here at the BetaFPV recording studio where they do the live streams. Ni hao, wo jiao, Rimzler, wo zai, BetaFPV. I'm a little bit sweaty because it's super hot here in Shenzhen, but we are at the BetaFPV factory. I cannot show you much of what they do here because it's top secret.